Newsflash! I'm not a real human.
I'm a talking avatar who never has a bad hair day.
In this video, I'll show you how to create a realistic talking avatar like me. Let's dive in.
Head over to Capcut.com and sign in or create a new account. Click on the plus icon to create a new video and select the aspect ratio. Go to the Elements tab and scroll down until you spot the AI characters. Click on View All. You can use filters or simply scroll through the characters to find one you like. Click on the avatar you want to use. It will be added to the timeline automatically. By default, your avatar will have a black background. Click on Media to upload your own image or video background. Then, click on the background to add it to the timeline. You can also pick one from Capcut's stock library. You can find them under the Elements tab. Use the search bar to find the desired image or video. Now let's bring your avatar to life. Click on the avatar, and a toolbar appears on the right side. Choose how you want your avatar to appear in your video: full body, half body, close-up, or circle frame. You can also drag one of the corners to change your avatar size or move it to a different position. Now let's add some text. Here, you can check out the default voice. To change it, click the drop-down arrow. Hit the headphone symbol to preview other voices in Capcut. To select a voice for your avatar, click on the name and then on Apply. Match the background duration with your avatar video. To extend it, click and drag the handle to the right. And that's it. Now you can download your video to your device.